Hi everybody, it's Christina from Card Making Magic. Today I'm going to use the birdcage, but I'm going to use it in a different way. I'm going to decorate it with some of the flowers off the top, and I'm going to emboss one of the panels on it to bring out the design in the card. So my colour scheme for today is going to be pink and white. So I have a top folded note card here, and I have cut myself just a slightly smaller mat that will sit on the front. Now in my crafting stash I've found this pink spotty paper, and I'm going to add this to my card as another layer, and then I've got another smaller white one that's going to sit on there, and it's on this white one that we're going to do some embossing and some inking. With your birdcage, you're going to cut this out 3 times. So once you've cut these out, keep the little hearts, remove it from the die, push out all the pieces that you don't need. Now you're going to keep 2 of these because you're going to stamp a sentiment on them. So you need to find in your own stash the tiniest little happy birthday or whatever greeting you want to add ready to stamp onto there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the top of this birdcage. So on all 3 pieces. So we're going to line them up and we're going to cut them. And I'll use a pencil just to show you where I'm cutting it. So I'm going to cut it right the way across there. And then we can glue all those together. So I've glued these together, and that gives me a nice strong base, and that's the top of my birdcage. I've stamped my sentiment and I've glued 3 of these together, and I've also glued the heart together. Now I'm going to colour that red, but with the bottom part of the panel now all I need is this end piece. So I've got the 3 of them together. I'm going to cut up there, and then I'm going to cut across the top. And then when I come down to the bottom, I'm going to shape this around that curve. So we'll just take that little piece out. So I'm just going to curve this now around there. So to complete this part of the card, I'm going to colour that heart in red. So there you can see with the top of the birdcage now, we've created an umbrella and we've created the handle. Now before we do anything with this, we're going to use the centre part to this card. So this is our top embossed and coloured layer, and this is our pink one. So we're going to place this in the middle of it, and we're going to draw around it, and then we're going to cut it out. So you're going to cut out just inside your pencil line. And once that's added to the back of this, it will just add that pattern through your umbrella, and nobody will know that there's a piece missing from your layer. From this landmark set, I've cut all the pieces that I want to use, and with coloured pencils or watercolours or with alcohol markers, just colour them as you would like them for your cards. So now that we have everything ready, we can put this card together. So I'm going to put my umbrella onto the card, and I've got foam tape behind this piece, and I'm going to put it here at the bottom. So I've taken the foam piece off the handle, but before I add this to the card, I want to just wrap this leaf around it, and now we can push that underneath there and make sure that that's in place. Now with the rest of the things, we can just decorate this umbrella as we would like it. So I've got some ivy, and I'm going to trail that down the umbrella. I've got another leaf that's going to sit in there. I've got another one that's going to curl around here. And then I've got other pieces of leaf and floral pieces that will all sit on this card. And then I can add my roses where I would like them. So have a dry run first before you glue anything in place, just to make sure that you like where they've gone. So there's the card with everything stuck in place onto the umbrella. Any pieces that you don't use, save for something else. And just as a finishing touch, we'll add some little pearls along the side as an extra decoration. So there's the finished card, and because of the foam tape that's been added behind certain things, it's raised up in different areas just to add a little more interest to the design. So I've used the overlays from the Landmark collection. I've used the Beautiful Birdcage and turned it into an umbrella, and I've embossed the panel with the A5 Floral embossing folder. All my collection is available at Craftstash, so I hope you've enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll never miss a video. If you've enjoyed the video, please be sure to come back and join me on the next one, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.